Hello everyone, my name is Denise Pugash and I'm a radiologist here in Vancouver, Canada. I'm here to remind you that the ISUOG Virtual International Symposium early bird deadline is approaching. Register by February 28th to take advantage of the early bird discount. Here's what you can look forward to if you register: a packed scientific program, optional certificate courses in gynecological and obstetrical ultrasound, and wonderful plenary speakers. We're very proud of this event and truly excited about everything that this program can offer. Don't forget that the early bird deadline is February 28th. We look forward to seeing you there.